Have you encountered a situation when the student doesn't seem to be interested during the class? As if they don't understand anything. Or maybe they are wondering and feeling bored through the conversation. Oh, by the way, my name is Moderator Luther from B2. How are you today? I hope you feel great. You know, engaging the student can be challenging for any teachers like me. However, good news, we can use some strategies on how to make the class more interesting and impressive here in B2. Number 1, make it interactive and competitive. Yeah, if you want your student to engage into a conversation and be interested, then enjoy the moment. Let loose. Yeah, laugh. Okay? Yeah, and make fun of yourself. Yes. Start engaging them in a casual conversation like you would a good friend. Ask them their daily routine and what they usually enjoy doing. For example, "Hi, good day. How are you?" They will say, "Fine. How about you?" Then, what you do is to start talking about your day. Yeah, how is it going so far? Right? Like for example, your breakfast. "Oh, I had a lot of breakfast today. I'm so happy. I'm full of energy." Yeah, and you can actually talk about the weather. Yeah. "Oh, the weather is so hot today. Oh, I'm almost fainting because of the heat." Right? And talk about the plans and then ask the student, "How about you?" And that way, the conversation will be interactive and competitive. Right? Yeah. Okay, now let's go to the second. Share your passion and positive energy. Wow, you have to be passionate. You have to be full of energy. Yeah. Okay. Show your student how you have fun. Right? Let them feel that you are there to guide and help them. Because passion is so contagious. If you're having a good time, your students will too. Be excited and energetic by using proper intonation, the rise and the fall of your voice. Right? So that's how you can make and share your passion plus positive energy. Now the third, master your emotions. If you're sad, you have to be sad. If you're happy, yeah, come on, smile, laugh. Ha ha ha. I know, that's cool. Right? We have to be like actors and actresses. We set the mood. And we have to show them that we are excited to see them. Right? We have to wear our best smile. "Hello, how are you?" Yeah, life is like a mirror. Smile at it and it smiles back at you. That's a reflection. It's a mirror. Whatever you want people to react towards you, you have to reflect it. Right? Good vibes, positive attitude so that they will feel comfortable. Right? Okay, set aside all of the issues that you had. You might have a bad day, right? No matter how crappy our prior experiences were. What should we do? We have to put them aside. Once we face the student, we have to wear our best smile, right? And the fourth, relate your content with their lives. Right? Yeah. And show them that you care. Oh, Yeah, you have to be empathetic when required. You have to be sensitive to their change of emotion, right? And to relate to the content and to relate your content to their lives, you have to ask them questions related to the topic and explore the vocabulary words. Be able to respond as well. Okay? Answer them regularly so that they will feel that you are listening to them, right? Not only you're creating a real world connection to the student and what they are learning, but you're also giving them a great understanding of why they need to learn it, right? Wow, those are the four things. I hope you'll have an interesting and impressive conversation with B2 student today. Thank you for listening. And please don't forget, hit like, share, and subscribe here in B2 Moderators YT channel, right? This is our YouTube channel, B2 Moderators. See you on the next video. Carmen, Tambit, Hengaplay.
BITU